Good evening, sir, ma'am, and all my dear friends. Myself, Ashwin Kumar Bisoi from ETC branch, second semester. Today, I am here to present my presentation on 5G mobile technology. I will discuss in this topic abstract, introduction, history of 1G to 4G, what is 5G, architectures, advantages, disadvantages, application, and conclusion. First, we discuss abstract. 5G technology stands for fifth generation mobile technology. 5G technology has changed the means to use cell phones within very high bandwidth. User never experienced ever before such a high value technology. Nowadays, mobile users have much awareness of the cell phone mobile technologies. 5G technology most powerful and in huge demand in near future. Then introduction. The word wireless is dictionary defined having no wires. In networking terminology, wireless is the terms used to describe any computer network where there is no physical wire connection between sender and receiver. But rather the network is connected by radio waves and or microwaves to maintain communications. Wireless networking utilizes specific equipment such as NICS and routers in place of wires. Then history of 1G to 4G. First of all, history of 1G. 1G refers to the first generation of wireless telephone technology. Mobile telecommunication which was first introduced in 1980 and completed in early 1990. Its speed was up to 2.4 kb per second. It allows the voice calls in one country. 1G network use analog signal. AMPS was first launched in USA in 1G mobile systems. Then history of 2G. It was launched in Finland in the year 1991. 2G network used digital signals. Its data speed was up to 64 kb per second. 2G technology refers to the second generation which is based on GSM features includes. It enables service such as text message, picture message and MMS. MMS means multimedia message. It provides better quality and capacity than history of 3G. 3G technology refers to third generation which was introduced in year 2000. Data transmission speed increased from 144 kb per second to 2 Mbps. Typically called smartphones and features increased its bandwidth and data transfer rates to accommodate web-based applications and audio and video files. Then history of 4G. 4G technology refers to our short name of fourth. The next generation of wireless technology that promises higher data rates and expanded multimedia services features include more security, high speed, high capacity, low cost for bit, etc. What is 5G? 5G technology refers to short name of fifth generation which was started on late 2010. Completed wireless communication with almost no limitations. It is highly supportable to wireless worldwide wide web. Benefits high speed, high capacity, faster data transmission. Then architectures GPRS General Packet Radio Services. It is used to transmit data up to 60 kb per second. It also consumes less battery during ending and receiving mail or to browse internet. Edge Exchange data rate for GSM evaluation. It is advanced version of GPRS. It provides data speed of 473 kb per second. WLAN Wireless LAN. Wireless LAN provides short range, high speed wireless data connection between mobiles data device senders radio signals. Then advantages and disadvantages: longer battery life, higher data rates, more efficient, higher security. They are the advantages. And the disadvantages are technology is still under process and research on its viability is going on. Developing infrastructure needs high cost. Security and privacy issue yet to be solved. Then application. Wireless application are those which we use free space as the transmission medium and do not involve cabling like fiber or copper cables. Some varieties of wireless applications. There are the handlet comblers, PDA applications. Some examples. Then the conclusion. All totally All totally the best way to help all users is to use 5G as the next wireless system, and in totally it is safety and secure for public. Today's wide society is going wireless, and if it has problem, 5G is the answer. Then 5G technology is going on to give the competition to computer and laptops. It will be available in the market on 2022 at affordable cost with more reliability than previous mobiles. Thank you.